Regulators, mount up.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Kind of weird. Got all these state vehicles parked along here in the park. It is a state park, so. But there's a boat launch back over there, and they haven't came here and cleared it. It's almost getting fishing season, so I'm surprised that they don't have this all cleared and ready for the boaters. Anyhow, hey everybody, Lewis here. Rshackbbq and other things. Well, this week, out for my daily walk, and we got some people out here doing a pack test on the trail. So like fire department and state parks. You got to make like 3 loops. That'll be fun. But I see him coming at me here. I'll probably shut this down because it's embarrassing to be walking and talking at the same time. But we'll give it a try and see what happens. I'll try to keep this thing stabilized. It's a gimbal. I'm trying to get it to focus more. There we go. Yeah, I wonder how much weight they have. It'll be interesting. So they're coming. They're moving at a pretty good clip. You got the birds over here. So anyhow, I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay. So this video, I just wanted to talk about, you know, I don't know how you would say it, the rigorous schedule of trying to make content. And I just want to say, you know, you got to figure out what kind of channel you want. What is your end goal, I guess? For me, I just enjoy the videos, the editing, cooking, everything that's involved in it. And that's what I do it for. Not so much for trying to become monetized or anything like that, even though it would be nice. But, you know, it's more fun just messing around with the camera, trying different cooks, things like that. But I do find it difficult to find new ways or new things to cook. And I'm sure you do too. And it's okay to take a break. There's a bunch of people out there that I follow that haven't made videos in a while. And I wonder why. And I'm sure they've gotten burned out or they're having trouble figuring out what to do. And that's okay. But, you know, wow, a bunch of geese up on the hill here. That's cool. Never seen them on the hill like that. You just got to keep at it and go at your pace. Don't feel like you have to put out stuff every week or every day. You know, just have fun. I always said, if something that I enjoy doing becomes a job, becomes work, then what's the point? And, you know, I enjoy this video and some people like, you know, Mega Fred, his channel, he does all kinds of things, short little clips, and they're so cool. I love watching his stuff, and it's not all cooking. So he's got a pretty good channel. But I just wanted to talk about that for a minute. You know, there's people like Hobo Nickel. I'd love to see more from him. Chris up at Gray's County Grilling out of Canada. Love to see more. Scott for the grill. But I understand. It takes time, you know, and it's easily to get burned out on it. It is. So just do it. And I just wanted to let everyone know that I watch a lot of videos. I enjoy it. And I may not be able to respond to everyone. I do like them. You know, I click on the legs and things like that. Gotta switch hands. That hand's getting cold. But I do understand the struggle of filming. First, thinking about what can I make, what can work out there, and then also setting up and filming and then editing and all that. It takes time and you can lose interest real quick. But just saying, go for it. Keep doing it, everybody. Well, I didn't want to be on here very long, so just wanted to talk about that for a minute, and hope everybody's had a good week, and keep on keeping on. Grill when you can, even if it's just for you and the fam. Don't worry about videoing it. It's not that important. Anyway, talk to you later.